This is a Bruxism mouth guard that I've just gotten from my dentist. This is a very simple, basic one, built off of a mold that he took of my mouth. And something like this would normally cost probably around $400, maybe a little higher, maybe a little lower, depending on the dentist and how much they mark it up. But I wanted to show you how uncomfortable this is for me. I knew it was going to be, but I had it anyway. I had it made anyway just to make sure. And let me put it in here. And as you can see how big it is, I can hardly talk when it's in. Can hardly talk when it's in, and obviously it looks uncomfortable. It is uncomfortable, and I find it very difficult to sleep at night with it on. It takes a lot of getting used to. I usually fall asleep, but then when I wake up sometime in the middle of the night, maybe to go to the bathroom, then I find it most difficult to get back to sleep. So this is an example of what you'll get for about $400, and not a great product. Wish there was something better for a cheaper price.